Hello and welcome. This is Dee from Crystal Crafts with Dee. I'm going to be working on this diamond painting next. I'm really keen to get started on this to see how it turns out. This is a gorgeous 30 by 30 full round drill diamond painting that I got from One Day Saving. And it has 24 colors in it, which is a lot of colors for such a small diamond painting. So I'm guessing it's going to come up with some really good shading and that sort of thing. So you can also get this diamond painting as a special drill too, which I would like to get it at a later stage so I can kind of compare the two. But gee, it was really hard to pick which one I wanted to start off with. But anyway, this one, 24 colors. I will zoom you in so you can have a closer look. So in we go. And the drill feel looks really good. I don't think I'll have any issues. You've got a few things going on in here, but I don't think it's going to be much of an issue at all, especially if I use a light pad. There's a lot of that background color, which is color C, and that is DMC 823, so it's a navy blue. But I love all the colors. I just think it looks amazing. Two symbol keys, one on each side. You have your symbols. They are all numbers and capital letters. They are all in order, which is an absolute bonus. And you have your DMC cross-reference. But that looks really, really good. No issues at all reading those symbols. So I'll zoom you back out again. So out we go. And we'll have a look at those drills. So drills come on standard strips. This is one long, big, ginormous strip. It is too. Okay, so we have, if I can get that out of the road. So we have purple and purple and purple. Looking really good, actually. You got some like a greeny gray and gray. Charcoal. Some more purples. The purple, like a blue purple, some blues. That is your background color there. 823. So you got 3 bags of that one. It's like a mustard color. You've got brown, green. Black, I think that is. No, that's 939, so that's another navy blue. Orange, blue. Got a bunch of blues, so you're going to get some really lovely shading there. More blue, blue, blue. Brown. Some more blues. Blue, blue. And a bluey green. So I love those colors. They're going to look absolutely amazing, and you're going to get some beautiful shading with all those different shades of the blues and the purples. They're going to look amazing. So there you go. So that is the dragon diamond painting. So I'm going to get started on this one right away, and I will be back with my review to let you know how I went, if I had any issues, that sort of thing. So I'm going to get started on this, and I'll see you on the other side. Okay, so all finished. Didn't this turn out amazing? I'm so impressed with how well this diamond painting turned out. For such a small size, a 30 by 30 centimeter, a full round drill, 24 colors, you're going to get that beautiful shading in there, but I'm really impressed. I think this turned out amazing. The drills are so shiny, and they were really, really good quality. Don't think that shine will come up too good on camera. Oh, there's a little bit there. But yeah, wow. I'm so impressed with this. The design, the colors, and actually how clear you can sort of see these sort of bits coming off the dragon. These bits here under his chin and these lines. The detail is quite amazing. Very, very impressed with this. I'll zoom you in so you can have a closer look. So in we go. You can see those beautiful drills, so colorful. came up really, really nice. That beautiful detail there. Especially with that dark background, those colors are really going to pop. It turned out amazing. All right, I'll zoom you back out again. So with this background here, there was a couple little like spots where it had like a brown dot or a sort of a light beige dot. And I thought that was going to look a little bit odd. So I just went and put a just a darker, I think I put a 939 because I think that background was 823. And then I just put some 939s, which is sort of a darker navy, and filled those little spots in because I thought brown was going to look a little bit odd. So I did change it. On that, I didn't change anything else though. The symbols were clear and easy to read, and the grid and everything was perfect. This is really, really good diamond painting to work on. I'll show you the leftover drills. So I kitted up in my favoriteest containers that I got from Kmart, and they're a little bit out of order, but anyway, I muddled my way through it. But there was lots and lots of leftovers. There's that 939. There's heaps left over there. The ones that didn't have as many leftovers, you didn't actually use very many of those drills. There was actually a lot of static, heaps of static when I was trying to kit these up, and they were just going everywhere. And then when I was trying to place, like pick up a drill, there'd be like 6 of them grab onto the diamond painting pen at the same time. It was driving me nuts. But anyway, I got through it. Like I did the usual tricks, you know, when you sort of breathe on them and that sort of thing, but it didn't work. But it doesn't matter. The drills are really, really good, and there was lots and lots left over. I love all these purples and blues. I think they work so beautifully together, but lots and lots left over. All right, bring diamond painting back on board. So that is my gorgeous dragon from One Day Saving. Wow. That's all I have to say. This one is definitely getting framed, and I've been putting it up in my son's bedroom. Absolutely gorgeous. So I will put the link to this in the description box below. I'd like to thank One Day Saving very much for sending this out to me for review. I'm super impressed, and I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you next time. Bye!